Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Wow. So, guys and gals, our last case for the iPhone 15 Plus just came in, and it dawned on me this case is very similar to one of the cases that we've already taken a look at on the channel. The only difference being with this case is that it has MagSafe, whereas the other case did not have MagSafe. And I have to say it, the packaging for that other case and the packaging for this case is basically the same. The only difference between the two cases is the brand name. And this completes the coverage for the cases for the iPhone 15 Plus. And I just had to lay out all of them so you guys and gals can see. We covered the gamut in terms of pricing. We covered the gamut in terms of minimalism. We covered the gamut in terms of features. Alright? But anyways, let me clear the table off and let's get into checking out this last case for the iPhone 15 Plus. And then we could dive back into the main coverage when this review process is done. But it just dawned on me. This packaging came and I'm like, wow, this is spot on to the other packaging. And I'm like, wow, just let me count up all the cases real quick. This makes case number 12. Alright, let me clear the table off and let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of this case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so now let's get into the unboxing and first impressions of the Fiberberry case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Okay, and we're not going to waste too much time in today's video. So starting off with the packaging and presentation, this looks very, very good, very minimalistic, very straightforward. I can see that the package kind of got damaged a little bit in transit, but hopefully the case is okay. And like I said, this looks basically spot on similar to another case that we've already taken a look at in terms of packaging. Okay? Yeah. And basically, guys and gals, the only difference here between this case and the other case is that this case incorporates MagSafe. Y'all already know I'm a big fan of that MagSafe, and they got packaging inside of packaging. So I guess they wanted to make sure that the case definitely did not get damaged in transit because we got packaging inside of packaging here. Let me rip this open here. Alright. Yep. Put this off to the side. Alright. Got the fan going today, so everything is blowing all over the place. It's 90-something degrees today. So got to turn that fan on. But first impressions of the case, it looks really, really good. Really good. Now, is this another two-piece? No, everything is one piece here. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. It looks really, really good. Nice fiber pattern on the inside so my device doesn't get damaged here. A little bit of company branding right there. Y'all can see it right there. Looks like we got all the precision cutouts here. Nice little lanyard hole. Fully protected power button. Alright, nice quality power button too. Alright. Fully protected volume rockers. Nice cutout for our mute slider. Nice. And you can actually put a lanyard on either side. So you got it on this side or you got it on that side. So you can choose where you want your lanyard to go. Okay. Very nice camera bump protection here. Not bad. Really nice lip protection. Not bad at all. And let me slap it on my device here. Give my device a quick wipe down real quick. Should have did this before I push record, but it is what it is. Okay, device is ready to go. Let's slap it on. Alright, should just line up and drop in. There we go. Snaps into place. Yeah, and it fits on perfectly. So you can see nice precision cutouts. Really, really nice look on the back. Really nice razivity for the camera bump there. And what I like here is it does go over my camera lens protector. So we do have an extra lip over the camera lens protector. Really, really nice. Super clicky button still. Again, nice quality buttons too. So really, really nice there. Okay. Really nice raised lip for the display. So good stuff there as well. Now, let's check the MagSafe capabilities. So let me break out some MagSafe accessories here. And we'll give it a shot. Okay. So let's do the kickstand first. Okay, so yeah, it does have MagSafe in there. And I heard it click into place, and it's on there quite nicely. So yeah. Boom. My kickstand works, no problems. Pull this off. Oh yeah, that did require a lot of force. I almost dropped that. It almost flew out of my hands. Let's try my phone stand here. Oh yeah, dropped right on. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Really good stuff. Alright. Honestly, guys and gals, I don't even think this one needs a full review. Now, I'm still going to put it through the full review process because, as I said in the intro, this is another product that came into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So, I still do have to put it through a review process of sorts because I have to do a full written review on this one. So, I think I will put it through the standard video review. But basically, and I'm just going to show y'all because I don't really want to waste too much time here. This is basically going to be very similar to what I said about this case right here. And y'all can see, I'm going to show you, these are basically the same case. Okay? But they're from two different manufacturers. Basically, probably the same manufacturer, just rebranded for different brands. But these are basically the same case. So everything that I liked about this case, I'm probably going to like about this case, with the only difference being this case here on the right does not have MagSafe. Alright? And I can probably tell you a lot of the things that I don't like about this case, I'm probably not going to like about this case. And I can tell you it's probably going to be those fingerprints already. Oh yeah, because you can see how this one picks up fingerprints if I tilt it just right in the light. Pretty sure this one's going to do the same thing. So, yeah, I might do a full video review on this, but I got to do the full written review regardless. But pretty much, if you checked out my coverage of this case, it's pretty much going to be the same as my coverage on this case would be, except for the only additional feature being this case here on the left has MagSafe. Alright? But I will still put it to the test because I have to for Amazon. So I'm pretty much going to be undecided as to whether or not I'm going to do the full review on it. But I figured I still want to show you guys and gals the unboxing and first impressions and show y'all, you know, just how many cases and accessories we have racked up for the iPhone 15 Plus. So over this 2-year review process, I think I don't have to worry in terms of protection and accessories for my iPhone 15 Plus. But essentially, first impressions of the Fiberberry case for the iPhone 15 Plus, this seems like it's going to be a really, really good one, especially with the addition of the MagSafe functionality. Alright everyone, that being said, that does it for today's video. I'm probably going to rock out with this case for a week and then come back with my full review. But as I said, I do have to put this through a written review and get that one out first and published on Amazon first. So if you guys and gals want to see the video review for this one, leave a comment down below in the comments. And please keep your comments respectful, please. If not, I can pretty much tell you this is going to be very similar to the other case that we took a look at that I already showed y'all. The only difference being this one includes the MagSafe functionality and features. Okay? But once again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, as always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also, if this video piques your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up this case for your device, I'll have the B-roll of the different colors. And this is pretty much only available for the iPhone 15 Plus. But I'll have B-roll up of the pricing and the colors available for this case thrown up in post. But if you'd like to know where you can get it and help support the channel as well, all of the affiliate buy links for this case will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those links down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. Also, as always, if you'd like to see any more extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus itself or any more of my favorite or recommended accessories, I'll link up my extended coverage for the iPhone 15 Plus down below as well, including all of my favorite and recommended accessories for it. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Oh yeah, man, I saw that packaging, and then I saw the design, and I was like, wait a minute. These are basically made by the same company, just two different brands. And so I'm like, is this really going to be worth a video review? Probably not, but I still got to put it through its paces for Amazon. But that does it for this one. I don't want to ramble on any longer. Have a good one, everyone. Catch you guys and gals in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.